Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to report that if your credit card has been lost or stolen. If you want to report your lost or stolen DBS credit card, then you could follow these simple steps. First thing first, you want to open up a browser or an application and log into your Dizzy Bank mobile with your touch, face, or a Dizzy user ID and a PIN. Next thing you want to do is tap on the more at the bottom of the page, and under next page you'll be able to find this sort of page. Here under manage card and loan, select replace or block card, after which you want to go ahead and select the option that is your lost my card. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find this pop-up menu, so go ahead and read the statement and click the proceed on button. After that, you want to select the card you wish to block. Lost your card, you want to go ahead and block it so that no transaction can be done afterwards. Now review your request and tap on the block now button. Now the card will be blocked immediately and you may proceed to request a new replacement card. So this is what you could do it. Otherwise, you could also go ahead and contact the support team and they should be able to help you out as well. With that, that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.